Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video I am going to go over how to read the patterns that I will be putting up that can be used with this video. I had hoped to print them in color, but unfortunately that area of work is still closed, and that's where I do my color printing, is at work. The images in the patterns, which will be available on my media sites, which I will post in the description, will be in color, so you'll have an idea of what the coloring for the curtain will be. And then most of them will have the color list and then the pattern list. Some that were quite long and each color had its own section. The color list and pattern list is all part of, are all combined together. So, the color list, of course, will list how many you'll need for a 12-inch top and then 12-inch strand. So then you'll just need to multiply that for whatever size curtain that you are wanting to create. Then you will go by strand. You'll have your first strand. This is from the video series, the red and gold. Your first strand we did in the second video. Then you have your second strand. Now the first color in these patterns will be the one that is used on either side, and then the second color will be the center cross color. Then you have your third strand, and then for this one you have 6 strands of one color. Then you again have one strand, one, and then you'll have 17 strands of one color, and that will get you not always 12 inches, but for this one it will be 12 inches, but for some of them it could be shorter, but then I just figured up how many times it would have to be repeated to get the 12-inch top numbers. So this is the one that is used in the videos. Here is another one that I have. Now this one you might not be able to see the whole pattern as it is very long, but in this one, the Fun Rainbow Curtain, the colors change all the way through the pattern. So I did it as the pattern and the color count all combined together, because as you can see, this one has quite a few colors in it. And then this is the number of strands for each color, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. All the way down you see how many strands you want to make for each color. Now this one has no 2 color strands. This is all one color for every single strand. And this one here is a blue curtain. Again, you have this one, it is separate. The color count and the strand are separated, and you have 4 strands, and then you have one. Remember, the first color is the color on each side and the second color is the one that you will cross, the center color. That's the same for all of these particular patterns. And then you'll have 1 and then 2 strands here, and it's all the same for each one. And here is a nice, short, and simple one. It's just 2 colors, and you repeat them 4 strands each over and over and over again. And for all of these, you can use other colors if you want to. You might want to test out the colors ahead of time, make a really short thing of it, and see how you like the colors. And this one, we have a green and gold one. The color count is here. And then it is also a long list. This one too has a place where there are 2 colors. The first one is the 2 side colors. The second one is the center cross color. And then this is the last one, yellow and brown. And it too has the 2 color strands as well as lots of single color strands. Like I said, I will be putting in the description links to the places where I'll be putting up these patterns for you to easily access and print out copies if you'd like. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video series. I do have other beaded curtain series I plan to do, and I hope that you will join me. Happy beading!